Is this right? We Earthians are suffering so much how, but was that right when a lovely planet suffered till now? Is this right? We are in panic by just one nature's gist. Don't you remember the earth bearing pain amidst? We may now use words wisely during a wish that can haunt. Isn't staying home was once your busy schedule's want? Oh, please, you don't have to fight with a grenade. The duty is to act what you really are, literate. It's not about our past deeds, doesn't matter, good or bad. Beware the agony. Why didn't we propelled the chance we had? It's conquerable. It's conquerable. The pandemic they gave. It's conquerable the pandemic they gave. We'll find a way. We always have. We'll find a way. We always have.